full cat mode. Hello and welcome back to Yotsuba, where we continue on translating the Yotsuba manga. I'll go through all of this Japanese vocabulary and grammar and explain everything for you guys. Where we last left off here, this is Muta talking to Yotsuba's dad, and she ended up going to the wrong house because Yotsuba isn't actually home right now. So Yotsuba's dad just told her to go next door where Yotsuba is right now while she's like wearing this crazy getup. She's trying to go scare Yotsuba. So let's see how that works out for her. Here we are over the next door neighbors. Currently, Yotsuba is with Anna in her room and they're playing with our new frog friend. So she's just admiring him right now. So this is our first translation of the video, so I put the notes down below me so you can follow along there or just listen if you'd rather do that. So to start off, we have Anna saying atode, which is afterwards. And then tambo is the field, the rice paddy, which is where they got little frog friend. And then ni shows a location, so at that rice field. Then kaishi is to return. Ni is making this our goal, so we want to go and return it. And then iko is the volitional form of iku, which is to go. And that is a godanku ending verb. So there would usually be a ku right here, but it's been swapped out with this ko. And there would usually be an u here too, just makes the sound a little bit longer for iko, meaning let's do that. It's a volitional, so let's go and return it to its rice field afterwards. So after we're having fun, playing with our little frog, let's like send him home. Nice and proper. So she's その前にぴょんぴょんさせて遊ぶ. So その前に is like before that. So before we return him, ぴょんぴょん is like hopping, skipping, jumping. And then sasete is the te form of saseru, which is to make or to allow. So we're gonna like let him hop around or make him hop around. We're just gonna play with him. And for that, it's easy because this is an ichiran do verb. So the do would be here and just swap that with a te. So that's meaning and right here. So we'll let him hop around and asubu will play. So for right now, we'll let him hop around and play with them. Then afterwards, we'll send him back to his rice field. Yotsuba's, omoshirosou! That sounds like fun. I agree, let's do it. So omoshirosou is just omoshiroi minus the e, because there would usually be an e here, but we're taking that off so we can instead attach this so, meaning like that or seeming to do that, like, oh, so that seems like that would be fun. She's like, oh, that sounds fun. That seems fun. Let's do it. Oh no, but we have an uninvited guest. It's konkon. Someone's knocking on her door. It's like, hi? What? I wasn't expecting visitors. On like the second story room here we're at. Oh no. We have Yotsuba wa iru ka? Oh snap. Someone's here. Someone bad. So first we have Yotsuba, which is her. And then wa makes her the topic, and then iru is to be or to exist, and ka makes that a question. So just saying, is Yotsuba in? Oh no, she's like, oh, what? And they have no idea what's going on. So next one is gacha, which is the door opening. No, Yotsuba is dare desu ka? So dare is who, des makes that polite, and ka makes it into a question, so who is it? So no, you're not gonna like who it is, Yotsuba, because BAM! Oh no, it's your worst fear! It's a circle thing. But she freaks out. Her eye goes full cat mode. It's like, yeah, no, she's creepy because she's so scared. Oh no. So yeah, Anna's got no clue what's going on. She's all, nani? What? Yeah! Oh no, she's screaming! Yotsuba! Just her name. Yeah! Oh no, it's so scary! And she's running out with the da-da here. Oh, she's going crazy. Gang, gang, batang. She's running and she's smacking into the walls and then she falls down. It's like, no, it's not that big a deal. It's okay. But oh no, it continues. She's all, kita zo. And kita being the past form of kudu, which means to come, like kind of just to arrive or to appear. It's like you hear this in manga for like ghastly things, like, oh no, it's here. Oh. It's like, I've arrived. And this zo is just adding emphasis and force. And Yotsuba's reply is like, Gao, Gao! She's like roaring at it. She's so cute. I'm so scared for Yotsuba. And Jiri, it's just inching forward. Gonna get you, Yotsuba. And yeah, she's freaking out. But oh no, she's gonna whip out her cool moves. She's gonna, Chow! She's gonna karate chop you. It's like, oh no, you're in trouble. So here we have Yotsuba whipping out her sick moves. The kick to the knee. Baka is like the sound of that hitting the knee. It's like, ate. It's like, ow. Ita, that hurt. But oh no. Oh no. Yokumo yatta na. Oh no. So Yokumo is like, how dare you? Yatta is the past form of yaru, which means to do. That is a Godan nu ending, so there would be a nu here, but it's swapped out with this teretsuneta to make it past. So yaru becomes yatta, which is you did that. So like, oh, how dare you do that? Then just emphasis. Oh, poor Yotsuba, she started to cry. Poor thing. Oh, like she's full on crying. She's like, uh-oh. Maybe I went too far. And that's not trick. She knows what's going on. She's all, ダメじゃない、ミオラちゃん。Yotsuba-chan, 泣かして。Oh, don't do that. So, dame is like bad, no good, and janai is isn't it? It's like, isn't that bad? Miura is her name. Chan is a suffix for like, kind of kids, little girls. It works fine here. It's like, don't you know that's bad, Miura? What are you doing? Then Yotsuba is Yotsuba. And then Chan, again, same Chan. Then nakashite is the causative te form of naku, which is to cry or to weep. You made her cry. Ugh. The causative form does mean to make or let someone do. Definitely make here. It would be naku. There would be a ku here. But that is changing to its a-based form. So the ku changes to ka. And then you would add on a su. So naku would become nakasu, means like to make someone cry. But we're going a little bit further to take it to its te form. So that su that would be here is changing to shite for its te form. Trailing off or te can be used for like command form or force really here. So it's like, you made her cry. Why did you do that? That's dame. It's no good. Next, Miura's going, what? 私はミュラじゃないよ. So, watashi is me. Wa makes me the topic. Miura, her name. And then janai is not. Then yo is adding emphasis. So it's like, I'm not Miura. That's not me. 目の玉、花子です。あっちの田んぼから来ました。Oh. No. Liar. Sosuke. Mei is eyeball. No is linking that to Tama, which is ball. So it means just eyeball. Then Hanako is like a girl's name. Des is just adding politeness. So it's like, I'm eyeball Hanako. Then Achi is like over there. And No is making that describe Tambo, which is the rice field again. So the rice field over there. And Kara is from that rice field. Kimashita. I came from over there. So this kimashita comes from kudu, which means to come. Then that's the polite past form of that. So kudu is like an irregular verb. Just to memorize it, kudu becomes kimas in its polite form, and then kimashita in its past polite form. So that su that would be here becomes shita to make it past. So I came from that rice field over there. Yotsuba's like, but Ina ain't buying it. She's like, moo. She's mukatsuku. She is angry. Rightfully so. Oh, she has an idea. Koso koso. She's rummaging around. Oh no. Now she's bringing out Muta's worst fear, a frog boy. So he's Muta-chan. It's like, what? So again, Muta and chan is the suffix. Muta her name. Now we have, yeah! Oh no! It's a frog! So we have here with Hoda. It's like, hey. Like, what? Nanda sorya! So Nanda is like, what? And Soria is that. It's like, what is that? What the frick? No frogs in here, please. Oh, he doesn't mean any harm. He's a little happy boy. It's just a lot of sound effects here. It's like, wow, yeah. It's like, oh no. She's trying to shoo the little guy away. Get out of here, go away. But no, he's coming closer. This patang, he's like jumping over. And tennis, she's like, she poked him lightly, so he jumped over. It's like, no! Yeah! And then she runs over and hugs Yotsuba, who's terrified of her. So Yotsuba goes, yeah, too! Oh no, but things are gonna get way worse now. Poor defenseless Kuma's gonna get involved. So Guts, he's grabbing on to the little bear. Yeah! She's whacking her with it. No, ow, it hurts. Stop it. Oh no. But Anna doesn't like where this is going. It's like, wow, Yotsuba-chan, dame! Julietto ga! Oh no! So Wa just like, Yotsuba, chan, suffix, and then dame is no good. Don't do that, Yotsuba. Julieta is the name of this bear, and then ga makes her the subject. So Julieta, oh no, don't get her, don't ruin her. Then gang, she's whapping her with that bear. But oh no, that bear was not designed to be used as a weapon. Because here we say buchi, it's the sound of its arm ripping off. And now Enna is freaking out too. Oh no. Yeah, now she's screaming, yeah! They're all screaming. But oh, Frog's coming up. Nozo, he's sneaking over here, quietly sneaking over. Yeah. They're all so terrified. It's great. And here, just all of them together. Yeah! Oh no! They're so loud you can hear in Okinawa! But no, you can't. Because she's all shizuka ne. So shizuka is quiet or peaceful, and then ne is like request for agreement, like kind of like right. It's so quiet, right? So nice. There's no one screaming and hitting each other with stuffed animals. It's the absolute best. So if you remember, she is off on vacation in Okinawa, and that's why a couple chapters back she couldn't go to the pool, if you remember that episode. Oh, next we have the end! Yes, that's it for that chapter. But oh, poor Ina, she has to go bend for Julieta now. So sad. Oh, and this is where we're gonna start off next video, but for this one, we're all set. We're done. We're gonna end it right at the chapter, nice and proper. So I hope that you enjoyed, you had fun. If you want to see more in the future, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Mata ne!